In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Deepsearch in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to frame great prompts, and how to interpret the results with confidence. Start by heading to grok.com in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the main prompt box where you'd normally type a question. Just beside or near that prompt area, you should see a Deepsearch toggle or button. This control turns on Grok's deeper research mode, which goes beyond a quick reply and pulls together a more comprehensive, sourced answer. Because it does more work under the hood, it can take a little longer than a standard response, but the payoff is more context and richer detail. Click the Deep Search control to enable it. You'll know it's active when the indicator shows it's on. With Deep Search enabled, place your cursor in the prompt box and type your question. You can ask everyday queries, but Deep Search shines with research-style prompts. For example, you might write, "What are the latest AI trends discussed on X this week?" That's a great fit because it's time-bound, specific, and focused on current conversations. A helpful tip as you craft prompts: begin with action verbs that guide the system. Words like analyze, research, summarize trends, or compare set the tone for a thorough, structured answer. For instance, you could say, "Analyze the latest AI trends on X this week," or "Compare perspectives on AI safety this month." That small change nudges the model to deliver deeper insight. After you submit, don't worry if it takes a moment. Deep Search may need extra time to gather, filter, and synthesize information. You might see a loading indicator while it compiles your results. Once your answer appears, take a beat to scan the overview first. You'll typically get a clear summary up top, followed by specific details, examples, and references or links when available. Read the summary to confirm it matches your intent, then drill into the supporting sections to see how the conclusions were reached. If you notice timestamps, recent dates, or source mentions, use those cues to evaluate freshness and credibility. When a topic is evolving quickly, prioritize the most recent items and open any linked sources to validate key points. Finally, make Deep Search even more useful with follow-up prompts. Ask it to narrow the scope to a time frame, region, or industry. Request a shorter or more detailed explanation, or use verbs like compare and summarize trends to reshape the answer. You can also ask it to clarify terms, highlight pros and cons, or provide next steps based on the findings. Iterating like this turns a good result into a great one, tailored exactly to what you need.